Good morning. It's Tuesday. Let's start with our alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Here is our alphabet. Let's do them here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Close your eyes. I'm going to hide this oval on a letter. Close them. Open. What letter did I hide? C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Good job. It is the letter M. Do rhyming. Bag, wag. Bag, wag. Where, there. Where, there. Yes, mess. Yes, mess. None, sun. Your turn. None, sun. An old, sold. Your turn. Old, sold. Let's do beginning sounds. Her, her. Your turn. Her. Good job. Pour, p. Your turn. Pour, p. Food, f. Your turn. Food, f. And bone, b. Your turn. Bone, b. Just, j. Your turn. Just, j. Good work. Blending compound words. Pan, cake, pancake. Your turn. Pan, cake, pancake. Book, mark, bookmark. Your turn. Book, mark, bookmark. Down, stairs, downstairs. Down, stairs, downstairs. Wheel, chair, wheelchair. Your turn. Wheel, chair, wheelchair. Eye, brow, eyebrow. Your turn. Eye, brow, eyebrow. Punching up that last sound we hear in the word old. Old. D. That sound. Get, get. T. Your turn. Sorry. Get. T. Let's do bowl. Bowl. Oh, your turn. Bowl. Oh. Fox. Fox. X. Your turn. Fox. X. And dog. Dog. G. Your turn. Dog. G. Good work. It is now time to segment some compound words. Two words together make one. This time we're going to have one, and we're going to take them apart. Birdhouse. Bird, house. Your turn. Birdhouse. Bird, house. Good work. Spotlight. Spot, light. Your turn. Spotlight. Spot, light. Toothbrush. Tooth, brush. Your turn. Toothbrush. Tooth, brush. Fireplace. Fire, place. Your turn. Fireplace. Fire, place. Notebook. Note, book. Your turn. Notebook. Note, book. We're going to add words to the end this time. I have gold. If I add fish, what word would that be? Goldfish. Try it. Gold. Add fish. Goldfish. Side. Add walk, sidewalk. Your turn. Side, add walk, sidewalk. Pop, add corn, popcorn. Your turn. Pop, add corn, popcorn. Grape, add fruit, grapefruit. Your turn. Grape, add fruit, grapefruit. Day, add time, daytime. Your turn. Day, add time, daytime. The leading words this time, listen carefully. I had goldfish. If I take away gold, what's left? Fish. Your turn. Goldfish. Take away gold. Fish is left. Starfish. If I take away star, what's left? Fish. Good job. Say shellfish. Try to guess what's left. If I take away shell, what's left? Fish. Shellfish. Take away shell and you have fish left. Catfish. Okay, take away cat. Fish. Good job. Poem this week is called Old Mother Hubbard. We heard that sound for mother again. All right. Old Mother Hubbard went to the cupboard. What do you guys hear? Hubbard, cupboard. What are those? Those are rhyming words. Good job. What is a cupboard? Have you guys ever seen a cupboard before? Let's go look at a cupboard. A cupboard is an area where you can keep bowls, plates, cups, and even food. Old Mother Hubbard went to her cupboard. Can you show me your cupboard?